For matrix A, 2 by 2 order matrix, verify that first part A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Second part A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. We do second part. A matrix is 1, 5, 6, 7. Transpose of A, changing row into column, 1, 5, 6, 7. Find firstly A minus A transpose. 1, 5, 6, 7 minus 1, 6, 5, 7. 1 minus 1, 5 minus 6, 6 minus 5, 7 minus 7. 0 minus 1, 1, 0. Transpose of A minus A transpose. Transpose of this matrix. 0 minus 1, 1, 0. Taking out minus common. 0 minus 1, 1, 0. This matrix is same as A minus A dash matrix. This matrix. Minus A minus A dash. If transpose of a matrix is negative to it, then it is called skew symmetric matrix. Hence, A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. Question number 9. Find 1 by 2 A plus A transpose and 1 by 2 A minus A transpose when A is equal to this. Given A matrix 3 by 3 order, then transpose of A matrix. Changing row into column and column into row. Then second part. 1 A minus A transpose. A 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. Then minus transpose of A. 0 minus A minus B A 0 C B C 0. 0 minus 0 0. A minus minus plus A plus A 2A. B plus B 2B. Minus A minus 2A. 0 minus 0. C minus C 0. Minus B 2B. Minus C minus 2C and 0. Then we find 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. Divide this matrix by 2. It becomes 0 A B minus A 0 0 minus B minus C 0. Express the following matrix as a sum of symmetric and a skew symmetric. So when a matrix is written in sum of symmetric and skew symmetric, it can be written as 1 by 2 A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. A matrix is written in sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. This matrix is symmetric and this matrix is skew symmetric. When A matrix 3, 5, 1, minus 1. Transpose of A 3, 5, 1, minus 1. Firstly, we find A plus A transpose. 3, 5, 1, minus 1. 3, 1, 5, minus 1. 3 plus 3, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 5, 6. Minus 2. 1 by 2 A plus A transpose. Divide it by 2. 3, 3, 3, minus 1. Then A minus A transpose. 3, 5, 1, minus 1. Minus 3, 5, 1, minus 1. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. 1 minus 5, minus 4, minus 1, plus 1, 0. 1 by 2, A minus A transpose. Divided by 2 each element. 0, 2, minus 2, 0. Then a matrix can be expressed is sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. It can be written as this way. put value of this 1 by 2 A plus A transpose here and A minus A transpose here. We write it 3, 3, 3 minus 1 plus 0, 2 minus 2, 0. This is 3 by 3 matrix. It can be expressed in sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Firstly, find A transpose. 3, 3 minus 1, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 5, 2. Firstly, we find A plus A transpose. 3, 3 minus 1, minus 2, 1, minus 4, minus 5, 2. A transpose 3 minus 2 minus 4, 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus 1, 1, 2. Add this. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 minus 2 plus 3, 1. Minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 minus 5 plus 1 minus 4, 2 plus 2, 4. Then 1 by 2 A plus A. Divide each element of this matrix by 2. 3, 1 by 5 minus 5 by 1 by 2, 3, 1 by 2, 5 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 2, minus 2. Then skew symmetric part. A minus A transpose. A matrix this, A transpose is this. Now we subtract these. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 1 plus 4, 3. 1 by 2, A minus A transpose. This is skew symmetric part. Divide each element by 2. 0, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 0, 3, minus 3 by 2, minus 3, 0. A is equal to 1 by 2, A plus A transpose, 1 by 2, A minus A transpose. We put value of this 3, 1 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 5 by 2, minus 2, 2, plus 0, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 0, 3, minus 3 by 2, minus 3, 0. That is the answer. If A and B are symmetric matrix, if A is symmetric, then A transpose is equal to A, then B transpose is equal to B. Of same order, then AB minus BA is AB minus BA. We firstly transpose of this. It can be written as AB transpose minus BA transpose. AB transpose can be written as B transpose into A transpose, A transpose into B transpose. B transpose is equal to B because they are symmetric matrix. A transpose is equal to A. It becomes BA, AB. Taking minus common, it becomes plus minus. AB minus BA. Transpose of AB minus BA is negative of itself. Hence, it is a skew symmetric matrix. AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix. If A is 2 by 2 odd matrix, cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha, then A plus A transpose is equal to identity matrix. Identity matrix 2 by 2 order. If the value of alpha, we have find value of alpha. A is equal to this and transpose of A. Cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. A plus A transpose is equal to identity matrix. A cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. A transpose cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Cos alpha plus cos alpha 2 cos alpha. Minus sin alpha plus sin alpha 0. Sin alpha minus sin alpha 0. Cos alpha plus cos alpha 2 cos alpha. Comparing corresponding element of matrix on both sides. 2 cos alpha is equal to 1. Cos alpha is equal to 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 value of cos when alpha is equal to pi by 3.